Welcome back. We are going to do month 3, which is November of 2024 on this channel, Amanda's Numbers, where I report YouTube analytics and YouTube tips and whatnot. So it's not going well. It's not going well at all. Just a quick look. We got no subscribers. We got watch time of 0.4 and 34 views. The past 2 months, I believe I got watch time of like 1.2 hours. And then last month, let's take a quick look at October. I believe I got 77 views. Let's go and do a quick custom and do September, 61. So overall, we are not doing good. Let's dive a little bit deeper. And just a reminder, we are not doing shorts on this channel. It's all long form. Okay, so just a quick overall look at the videos. So again, let me get on to make sure we're on the right month, November. Okay, my long form videos. We only got 291 impressions. So we're not getting the impressions. We're not getting out there, and it's probably due to poor performance that YouTube's not pushing my content. I'm not blaming YouTube per se, but we're definitely not getting out there. The average percent viewed is just under 10%. Okay, if people are clicking, they're at least watching some of my video. We published 4 videos in November. We got 34 views, 0.4 watch hours, and an average view duration of 44 seconds. The other thing I want to pull up here is click-through rate. Okay, so that final thing I wanted to pull up was click-through rate, which is here 8.3%. That's actually really good. Basically what that says is for 34 views out of that many impressions, we're doing decent based on the views for the impressions. But overall, this channel is not going well. I really and truly expected it to kind of organically take off, being a YouTube channel about how to grow a YouTube channel or about analytic reports. Let's go ahead and look at the videos themselves. Okay, we're quick gonna put that on views. Not that the graph really matters because there's not much to see. Best video got 6 views, and it was this one, how YouTube has changed my life with under 200 subscribers as a busy mom. This is that cliche video of like how YouTube has changed my life with under 1,000 subs or this or that. It's not working for me. I thought this one would get 100 views like right out the gate. I thought it would do great. It is not. So that was November. This one right here is in October. This one's a September. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to that main homepage. Okay, so my 4 videos that I published, the most crucial tip for staying on track, that was related to batching. Surviving month 9, so that was a month 9 analytic report for my mommy channel. This one, how YouTube has changed my life with under 200 subscribers. Again, that's referring to my mommy channel, which is around 196 at this moment, but it's under 200 subscribers. And then this final one was month 10. So 2 videos were analytic reports. 2 of them were other YouTube related content. Basically, yeah, it's not going great. November was even worse than October and September were. So we'll see if this channel takes off. I'm optimistic. I'm still hopeful. I'm trying to keep the videos short. I'm trying not to spend a lot of time on this channel and editing, get it out there. And if people see it, they see it. I still enjoy doing this content, but again, I can't dedicate too much time to it. I am hoping maybe with December and January in the new year, people starting new channels, maybe they'll stumble across some of my content and binge watch some of it. I'm putting it in a playlist, doing what I can to make it good and bingeable content. So that is what's going on for November. This is, again, month 3 on this channel, Amanda's Numbers. So come back, check out number 4. Hopefully December will be better. Can't be any worse, can it?